Okay, guys, on the 13th of May, President Donald Trump, Boeing 757, has hit another plane at West Palm Beach. While his Boeing 757 was taxiing, the wing has clipped with another wing of a private plane that was parked, but there was nothing damaged or serious, or nothing has caught fire. If it was hit hard, maybe there could have been some fire, but the aircraft was taxiing, so the speed was low, and the other aircraft was parking. So nothing has caught fire. I don't know. I don't think the damage was consequent. So a situation has happened where President Donald Trump Boeing 757 has hit another plane while taxiing. The other private jet was parked. As I said, it has occurred on the 13th of May. Okay, now I'm going to show you. I knew something like that will happen to his Boeing 757. I'll let you guys read it over there. I thought the airplane will catch fire, but if the accident was hot, there could have been some fire. But fortunately, the other plane, the private jet, was parked, whereas Trump plane, the Boeing 757, was taxiing. So I knew his plane will face some sort of emergency, like in January 2022. So that means like a bit over 2 years ago. Again, this is just simple things that happen in life, and that I knew well in advance. Please watch it and share it, guys. Okay, very important.